A dimensional constraint in modeling can be measured in different ways. For example, this sketch curve could have a horizontal constraint, a vertical constraint, or a point-to-point constraint. It's important to understand how NX infers measurement methods when you select sketch geometry. I'll use this simple door hinge to show first how NX infers geometry when you create sketch dimensions, and second, how you can change inferred selections when you want to. I'll start the rapid dimension command. Some measurement methods use only one reference object, while others require two. Although I can choose a specific measurement method. For this demonstration, I'll let NX infer a method based on the geometry I select. When I select an arc, NX infers a radial measurement method with one reference object, and updates the dialog box to show the object selection. When I click to place the dimension, NX creates the dimension. I want to create a dimension between these lines. When I select the first line, NX infers the start and end points as first and second reference objects. If I click now, I'll create a point-to-point dimension on this curve. But my design intent is to dimension between two lines. When I hover over the geometry I want, NX highlights Select Second Object in the dialog box. To change the second object to this line, all I need to do is select it. And NX creates the dimension I want. In the same way, I can dimension from this line to this endpoint. I select the line. Then I hover over the line endpoint and click to change my second object and create a perpendicular dimension. Finally, I'll add a dimension from the y-axis of the datum axis to this line. When I select the datum axis, NX does not infer a measurement method, and updates the dialog box to show that a second reference object is required. I select the line, and NX creates the dimension. When you edit a dimension, you can explicitly select the first or second objects at any time to override an inferred selection or correct a mistake. Suppose I want to change this dimension so that it refers to the inside of the hinge rather than the datum axis. In the dialog box, I click Select First Object and select the line. In summary, to control how NX infers reference objects, you can hover the mouse and click to select a different reference object. You can click Select Second Object in the dialog box and then select the reference object. And you can choose a measurement method before selecting geometry in order to control inferred selection.